Hyacinth macaw. The vibrant blue giant of the skies, the hyacinth macaw is the largest flying parrot in the world. Scarlet macaw. Flashing red, yellow, and blue, the scarlet macaw is nature's masterpiece in flight. Military macaw. Salute to the military macaw, with its camouflage greens and a hint of blue. Green-winged macaw. With ruby red and deep green, the green-winged macaw dazzles us with its winged dream. Great green macaw. A symphony in green, the great green macaw reminds us of the lush forests it calls home. Blue and gold macaw. Swooping with blue and gold elegance, this macaw brightens up the sky like a shining ornament. Red-vented cockatoo. With a pop of red on its tail, the red-vented cockatoo surprises us with its feathered detail. Tres Marias Amazon. Hailing from the Tres Marias Islands, this Amazon parrot sings tunes that are oh so vibrant. Severe macaw. Don't let its name fool you. The severe macaw is playful and sweet, with green feathers that can't be beat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe Toddler University on YouTube.